Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to leave a circle in Life360. Leaving a circle in the Life360 app is a straightforward process whether you're a regular member or the circle admin. So I'm going to walk you through a detailed step-by-step guide on how to do that. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open the Life360 app on your device, and once you're in, go ahead and tap on the circle switcher at the top of the screen to select the circle that you wish to leave. Okay, select the circle and that opens it. So, or let's say that's the circle. Now, access the settings by tapping the gear icon in the upper left corner. And once you do that, it's going to take you to this page where you have a couple of options here. So from these options, select circle management. Then go ahead and tap leave circle. So in this window, you have edit circle name, you have my role, you have change admin status, you have add circle members, you have set bubble access, and you have leave circle. So just go ahead and click on leave circle at the bottom of the screen. Then confirm your decision when prompted. After completing these steps, you will no longer be part of the selected circle and your location will no longer be shared with its members. So if you are the admin of a circle, you will need to transfer admin rights before leaving. And how do you do that? Open the Life360 app again, select the circle you wish to leave, tap the settings icon in the upper left corner, choose circle management from the menu, and that's going to take you here. Now tap change admin status and select a member to assign as new admin. You're going to find all your members here. So once you select return to circle management and tap leave circle, confirm your decision when prompted. And once you have transferred admin rights and left the circle, you will no longer have access to its location information or settings. All the circle members will be notified when you leave the circle. Take note, and to rejoin the circle, you'll need to be re-invited by an existing member or admin. So by following the steps, you can effectively manage your participation in Life360 circles, ensuring your location sharing aligns with your preferences. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.